I'm at Sedgwick County Park. I just had guns pulled on me, and I just had a couple guys steal my $40,000 Jeep.
Hold on just a second, okay?
Yeah, I just had guns pulled on me, and they're heading north out of.
What kind of Jeep?
It was a 2015 blue Jeep Wrangler.
Where are they exiting at?
They're going out the north exit. Going
On
out.
21st?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's a Jeep?
Yes.
What color?
It's a blue. It's a metallic blue. They walked up, pulled guns, and told me to give them the keys. So I didn't argue.
Okay, hold on. How many suspects were there?
There's 3. There was a car that followed them. They got out of a blue. It was a dark blue. Like.
Hold on. 3 suspects, white, black, Hispanic, Asian. Males?
Males.
How many guns were there?
There were 2 guns. Both of them had guns.
There were 3 males, but only 2 had guns?
Right.
What kind of guns?
They looked like 9mm. They were black.
Are there any injuries?
No, I just let them have it. They got.
Where are you at?
I'm at Sedgwick County Park.
Where at in the park?
By the tennis courts.
You said there was a vehicle?
Yes, it followed him. It was the 3rd guy. It was a blue Honda. It looked like a Sienna or something.
Okay, hold on. What kind of vehicle was it? A blue Honda?
It looked like a Honda.
What
it
color?
was a 4-door SUV.
What color?
It was a dark blue.
How many people were in that car?
1, I saw the driver. That's where they got out of.
Okay, the driver, was he white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
I can tell you where they are. I have Prey on my tablet that they just stole.
They stole your tablet too?
Yes, they have my tablet, and Prey will locate them. I just thought about that.
It's called Prey?
Yes, P-R-E-Y. I need to get to a computer, though.
Okay, well, officers are on their way. I need you to stay.
Okay.
Okay, the first male, you said he was a male. How old was he?
Probably in the 20s.
How tall?
They were taller than me. 5'10", probably.
5'10"?
Yeah.
Thin, medium, heavy?
They were built.
What was he wearing?
I don't really know. People only noticed with the gun.
Okay. Do you remember any of the shirt colors?
No.
Okay, the second one was a male. Was he in his 20s as well? How tall was he? You're cutting out. I can't hear you.
He was probably about 5'10", 5'11".
Thin, medium, heavy?
Thin. They were medium build.
Okay.
They were bigger.
Do you know what he was wearing?
No.
Any glasses, scars, tattoos, piercings, anything like that?
I don't know. I was too busy looking at the guns that they cocked.
Okay, I understand. It's okay. All right, so there were 2 that had guns, and then was the 3rd person in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Or was there 4? I can't hear you.
There was 3, ma'am. 3.
Okay, so...
Yeah, and I should have got their license plate. Dang it.
Do you know your license plate? All right, and it was 5'10", medium build. Are you alone there? I can't hear you. You're cutting out.
Yes, ma'am, I am. in the back of my deal. I was in the back.
Of your vehicle?
Yes.
Hold on. Give me the tag number again. Hold on a second.
I tried to ask some motorcycle guys to help me chase it down, but I didn't.
No, it's okay. Wait, they were holding the guns in what hands? Do you remember?
The left hand, and then he cocked it with the right one. I don't know if they were BB guns or what, but I wasn't going to take a chance because they told me they were going to shoot me. And I was just like, you know what? It's just a Jeep, you know? I got my tablet in there. I got everything in there.
Identifying on the vehicle, any damage, stickers, window cracks?
No, and I didn't realize he was there until he started taking off. And then I realized he was the one driving. They got my house keys and everything.
The Jeep Wrangler?
Yes, blue. You would notice it because there's not very many blues. I don't know.
Is it a 4-door?
Yes. Found it.
There's lots of officers up there.
Yeah, they got guns. I don't know if they're BB guns or not, but they look to be real. So. But yeah, it's a 4-door. You black fender wells.
It's what? A 4-door?
4-door Jeep Wrangler.
Hold on. Hold on. Do you see an officer, Chad?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Stay on the phone with me, okay?
Sorry, I'm just, my nerves are...
It's okay. Take a deep breath, okay? You're
Right.
you're fine. You're not injured, right?
No, luckily.
Don't need an ambulance.
I really don't need to feel like what bullets feel like. I'm not really fond of that.
I understand.
I mean, that's why I was like, well, okay, here you go. I'm not really going to test this.
Yeah.
You know? And, I'm not the type to be so proud as to, lose my life over something that stupid.
There's a gun. Hey, Elledge, there's a gun in the car.